The prosecution continues to push for alleged financial crime evidence to be allowed in the double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh. News 3's lead investigative reporter Brett Buffington has been in the courtroom all day, and Brett is joining us live now outside the courthouse. He has our continuing coverage tonight. Brett?
And Tina, tonight I can tell you that the day 10 of this trial has wrapped up. The jury has left this courthouse. Alex Murdaugh on his way back to the jail where he is being held here in Colleton County. I can tell you this is a day that started with a hearing trying to get that evidence put in. We'll have more on that emotional part of this day later. But I can tell you the most of the day here, the defense, the prosecution, the jury focusing on a firearm expert from SLED, trying to get those bullets from the house there from the Moselle property into evidence. This was a long and lengthy process working that evidence in, but then the state using this firearm expert to try and make the case that one of the Murdaugh family guns was used in the killing of Maggie Murdaugh. The defense trying to make sure that wasn't explained to the jury. Take a listen to this.
But you're saying you found shells here, cartridges here, cartridges there, cartridges at the murder scene, and they all have not all the marks are identical, but enough marks are close enough to being identical. In your opinion, they were fired by one weapon in the world.
It's my opinion that those had all been cycled through the same firearm at one point in time. Yes, sir.
And of course, that firearm expert taking most of the day here before court went into recess. The court will resume at 9:30 on Monday morning. They'll again have that evidence hearing before the jury is brought in at 11:30 when this double murder trial will resume. Andrew Davis returning here to Walterboro on Monday. He will be here covering this trial as it picks back up then. We are live in Walterboro tonight. Brett Buffington, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Brett, thank you. As testimony continues, we are learning new information about Alex's alleged financial crimes. WSAV's Joseph Leonard is here now with a breakdown of that evidence.
That's right. There's debate on whether the judge should allow Alex's alleged financial crimes to be included in the murder trial. The defense saying including this evidence could add weeks of testimony. Testimony looking into Alex allegedly stealing money from his law firm's clients began Thursday. The prosecution called several witnesses as they try to convince the jury that Alex had a motive to commit the killings. One of the most crucial testimonies coming from Tony Satterfield. Tony's mom, Gloria, was a housekeeper for the Murdaughs for around 20 years. In 2018, Gloria died after she fell and hit her head at the family's Moselle home. Tony testifies that Alex told him to sue the estate so that he and his brother could receive the money from the settlement. Tony says Alex never told him about the settlement money, saying instead that Alex stole from him.
Did he tell you that they had already gotten a settlement for $3.8 million?
No.
Had he ever told you that there was an umbrella policy for $5 million?
No.
Did he ever mention to you anything about forge?
No.
Did he mention anything to you about structuring any settlement?
No.
Did you give him permission to steal your money?
No.
The judge said the defense asking Paul's friend to testify on Alex's character opened the door for the financial crimes evidence. Alex is accused of more than 90 other crimes and financial schemes. Joseph Leonard, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Joseph, thank you. Well, WSAV is on your side with complete coverage of the murder case online, from daily courtroom coverage and a real-time blog by our digital team to prior stories and background information. You will find it all at WSAV.com/Murdaugh.